I was sitting at a table with my friend and there was a couple there. And the guy said, I had to apologize to Eugene Levy for bumping him on the dance floor. So Eugene Levy was at this ball. I tried to find him the whole night, couldn't do it, but it came out in the news the next day that he'd been there. So clearly he was there. The second ball was called the doctor's ball or the Otze ball. That one, myself and both of my friends, we both went to that one. That was a really cool one. We definitely go to that one again because that was in the Hofburg Palace. It was two different floors, multiple dance floors, so many food stations, and there was a map and it was very well laid out. So that was a unique experience that I got to have, and I got to upgrade it thanks to miles and points. Another fun thing I forgot about Austrian business class is they had this special, like, coffee service. There's a whole menu of really cool different kinds of coffee. They have a chef on board in business, and so I asked both times for a little bit of the coffee, and they had homemade, like, whipped cream too on a flight. It was insane. And the Priority Pass Lounge in Vienna got an award for the best Priority Pass lounge in the world, actually. So it was really nice actually to be able to, because both of my friends that I flew with one going there, and then I was flying at the same time, different flights with another friend the way back. I was able to take them both to their first Priority Pass lounge. And that one in Vienna was really something. It was really vast. And one of the most hilarious benefits I saw in the lounge, there's a big nap room in the back. I've never seen this in any other lounge. I go in there and there's a little sign and it says, "Forgot your reading glasses? Come to the front desk and borrow a pair." You can borrow reading
Oh,
glasses.
that's
Isn't
interesting.
that fascinating? I was like, "That's so cool." Probably won't see it again. They had a little, like, bookshelf there with a couple books you could just take and read in the little nap room areas, but that was just a hilarious, very unique benefit that I saw in the lounge, so had to bring that up because I just never seen it anywhere else.
Cool. So the little things we could definitely find joy in and have a lot of fun, especially when things go pretty well. As some people can focus on the negatives and this and that happens, but try to stay positive throughout all of this. And I really liked the Chase Sapphire Lounge in Philadelphia. I released a video on my YouTube channel about that. The place is huge. I think it ended up being like an 8-minute video much to see it.
I saw it. It was cool. I was so impressed at how big it was in so many areas and, like, spa area. Yeah, you really covered it all.
Arcade games in there, complimentary facials, and they had the wellness area.
Yeah, you really can't beat that. There really are not so many lounges nowadays that have complimentary facials. I did get one time in the Air France lounge in JFK, one of the times when I traveled business on Air France. I did get one there, and I've been meaning to do it. I've tried to do it a few times in one of the Air France lounges in Paris, but for some reason, I keep leaving on a day when, like, the spa is closed or, like, I get there too late and the spa is
Ah,
closed. I'll get there, it'll happen. So, it's pretty cool that just with a Chase credit card, you could just get that.
your time will come. Enough travels and it'll line up one of these. I ask most guests, how about some upcoming trips? What do you look forward to in 2025?
I am going to Lima, Peru in a few weeks. Very excited about that. Alaska has a partnership with LATAM, and they have a 35,000-mile one-way deal on business class on LATAM between JFK and Lima. So I got that going down there. Haven't been able to get on the way back. I've been checking every single day. I booked economy for the way back for now. I'll keep checking, but what I'm excited about for that is that will get me access to the new Delta One lounge at JFK, which is only a few months old. So I'm really excited for opportunity to check that out because that's business class only lounge.